If you're an artist trying to make money, these 3 myths are quietly holding you back. Myth 1. You have to post daily or the algorithm will forget you. No. Consistency beats frequency. 2 solid posts a week for a year beats daily posting for 2 weeks, then burning out. Myth 2. You must pick one style forever. Your style will evolve. What you need now is a clear way to describe your current style so clients understand you, not a promise to never change. Myth 3. You can't charge high prices as a beginner. You don't need luxury rates on day 1, but you also don't have to work for exposure. Charge fair for your skill prices and raise them as you improve. When you believe these myths, you burn out posting constantly, you're scared to experiment, and you undercharge for years. Most people quit right there. Instead, try these new rules. 1. Post consistently, not constantly. 1 to 3 quality posts a week is enough to grow. 2. Let your style evolve. Just describe your current style clearly so clients know what to expect. 3. Charge fair prices now and raise them as your skills grow. You don't need to wait 10 years to value your work. Want more myth-busting and practical systems? Check my Skillshare classes. The Artist Pricing Playbook. Define your art niche in under 30 minutes and find your visual style in 5 prompts. Also visit my website at artbyricarda.com for the Artist Toolkit with guidance, tips and tricks. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.